Welcome to our upgraded Docs Made Easy platform, now integrated with Sign Made Easy. In this video, we'll walk you through the seamless document signing process, all within our convenient platform. Choose Docs Made Easy for document creation such as quotes, proposals, account plans, receipts, invoices, and more. And Sign Made Easy for e-signing. Select the document you need to sign and click on Sign Document. Once the document opens, choose Merge Document and Sign. You'll be directed to Sign Made Easy. Here, you can see the document and also add signer details, name, email, company, title, and role. You can skip it if it is already added. Now you can preview your document and then drag the Signature tab to the desired location and send. You can also choose to drag and drop multiple fields including email, name, initials, and more. Hooray! From your end, the task of sending the document for signature has been completed. Let's move on to the recipient. The recipient can now preview the document and sign electronically using their preferred style. Draw, choose a style, or upload their signature. After selecting their signature method, they click Adopt Signature and Sign. Finally, click Complete Sign to finish the process. And there you have it. Your document is now complete with an e-signature, all thanks to the seamless integration of Docs Made Easy and Sign Made Easy.